In come the openers. Greeted. That's a pretty interesting field the captain has set.
Pushed into the gap for a single.
Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball.
Oh, that looks ugly. Batsman took his eyes off the ball and got stuck on the body.
That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length. He has taken the clear route and no guessing where it's landed. No worry. Wonder where the next one's gonna fly.
Good call by the batsman. Very good running.
They are running hard, converting ones into twos and twos into threes. He goes from top and in the gap as well. He's looking in good touch here.
Pacer brought into the attack from the other end. Teams are aware of how dangerous this player can be.
Oh, he missed that one.
This is beautiful to watch. He's making the ball talk.
He would be disappointed with himself. That was in his slot.
Super delivery. Batsman got lucky there.
Bowler is reading the batsman here and restricting him to his plans.
There he goes. Up and over. Superb timing. The bowler might need to change his line a bit here.
Pacer introduced from the other end.
End of batting power play. Would be interesting to see how they approach their batting now.
works it wide of the fielder for a single.
Whoa, that looks tight. Could be the end of the batsman innings. A gloomy walk back to the pavilion. That was a waste of a wicket. The batsman looked furious after that run out.
Oh, he missed that one. He would be disappointed with himself. That was in his slot.
Well played for a single.
Oh, chance of a run out. And he's out. Taking the long walk back to the pavilion. This is the last thing they want, a run out.
Batsman sees that coming and gets into a good position. Got it off the meat of the bat. When he hits it, it stays a hit. Crowd is enjoying every bit of this.
Definitely wasn't expecting that. Superb bowling.
Oh, he has hit this one miles. Straight over the top for 6. Interesting to see how much spin is there on this pitch. Captain going for wickets, slips in place.
Played exquisitely. They are sprinting for first run. Can they get back for 2? Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
He's a very good player against spin.
Nicely played. They can get 2 here. Running has been top class by both the batsmen. The batting team would want to have wickets in hand for the end overs.
bat has disappeared. Surely came off the middle of the bat.
This is brilliant batting from the batsman. That's a wide. Has to bowl that one again.
Beautifully bowled and well done by the fielder.
Taking the long walk back to the pavilion.
The batsman is all set to face his first ball. Goes over the top and in the gap. Well played. Pacer brought into the attack from the other end.
That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length.
Super delivery. Batsman got lucky there. The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines.
Single taken. Good rotation of strike here from the batsman. They are running hard, converting ones into twos and twos into threes.
Fielder at deep extra cover for extra protection. The bowler strikes with a very good ball there.
Walking back to the pavilion, disappointed. Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball. Batsman should be able to run to there. Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
He looks more comfortable with the pace on the ball. Pushed into the gap for a single. Huge appeal, but not out given by the umpire.
Last ball of the innings coming up. Oh, brute of a delivery. First innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the chase.